Here at Omni Cubed, we want to help you be more safe, efficient, and profitable. That's why we continue to focus our efforts on designing and manufacturing tools that help reduce labor and stay ahead of the curve on industry trends. As mitered edge details have continued to gain popularity in both commercial and residential settings, we've developed additional tools to help you deliver the quality your customers deserve and expect. In this video, we'll share the unique advantages of our latest innovations in mitered edge seaming, the mitered Auto Electric and the mitered Auto Pneumatic. If you typically complete mitered edge details at the install site, the mitered Auto Electric is the system for you. The electric model includes a powerful yet compact vacuum pump that runs on AC power or AA batteries, so it'll work at any job site, whether or not electricity is available. For those that prefer completing the job in the fabrication shop, we recommend the mitered Auto Pneumatic. The pneumatic system uses a highly efficient Venturi Vacuum Generator that only requires 1/2 a CFM of compressed air to provide continuous, reliable hold. Both models simplify the mitered lamination process by reducing the awkward adjustments required with most other miter jigs and give you better results than taping methods alone. These easy-to-use clamps provide precise seam control with vertical and horizontal adjustments, enabling you to get that extra pinch for virtually invisible seams. The clamps hold edges from 2 to 12 inches tall, securely in place at 90 degrees, allowing finished side-up laminations, which helps keep workers safe, the material intact, and the seam in view for easy monitoring and cleanup. Both the pneumatic and electric options have a specialized vacuum system that provides an extremely strong hold for our proprietary non-marking cups that conform to textured and porous surfaces. Each model incorporates a 10-port manifold that allows you to add up to 8 additional clamps to cover more surface area. Wherever you would need a hand to hold the material, put a mitered auto clamp there instead. To improve the quality and efficiency of your shop's mitered lamination process, contact an authorized distributor near you. For more information, visit our website at omnicubed.com. Thanks for watching.